So we're not doing the traditional Thanksgiving dinner. We are doing a seafood. Guess it's kind of like your crab boil, but it's a sheet pan. I also got the king crab legs. Can't have seafood without the king crab legs. And I have the potatoes and corn boiling. More to come. Alright, everything is seasoned, and I'm about to put this in the oven. It is all done. So I got the lobster tails going on. It's all done. I took my lobster tail out. Makes it easier to eat and season once it's cooked. But there you have it.